Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data. Back up to iCloud or your computer, do that now. Once done, update iOS to the latest release so any fixes apply. Next, install a reputable wallpaper or widget app that supports notch masking. This won't remove the dynamic island, but it visually minimizes it. Make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery or is plugged in. Proceed to choose a dark, centered wallpaper that aligns with the island to blend it out. You now apply the visual concealment. Open Settings and set your chosen wallpaper for both lock screen and home screen. Position the darkest part over the dynamic island so it blends with the status bar. Then open the masking app and place a top screen mask or widget. Adjust its position until the cutout appears minimized. Once aligned, lock and wake the phone to inspect. If notifications or apps shift the layout, fine-tune the mask. This is cosmetic, but effective for most daily use. If you want it gone physically, your only safe option is a full display replacement performed by Apple or an authorized repair center. You can't legally or safely remove it yourself without damaging sensors. Make an appointment, show your backup is complete, and ask for OEM parts. After repair, verify Touch ID, Face ID, and camera function. If something fails, restore your backup and return to the service. If repair isn't possible, contact Apple support for troubleshooting and warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.